Welcome, fellow riders, to another exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Wapspin TV. We're on a mission to quench your curiosity about the intricacies of motorcycle fuel tank manufacturing. Imagine the symphony of precision and craftsmanship that turns raw materials into a biker's pride and joy. But before we embark on this fascinating journey, make sure you've hit the subscribe button and rung the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of motorcycle fuel tank manufacturing. As we step into the factory, witness the intricate process of crafting motorcycle fuel tanks. It all begins with the raw materials, sheets of high-grade steel that are carefully selected for their durability and strength. These sheets are then cut into precise shapes using advanced machinery, ensuring the perfect foundation for the fuel tanks. Next, the cut pieces are meticulously shaped and molded. It's a delicate dance between machine and metal, as the pieces are bent, curved, and folded into the iconic shape of a motorcycle fuel tank. The individual pieces are then welded together, forming a seamless, leak-proof structure that is both sturdy and lightweight. But it's not just about function. Aesthetic is equally important in this process. The tanks are then polished to a smooth finish, preparing them for the painting process. This polishing ensures that the paint adheres properly and provides a sleek, shiny surface that's visually appealing. The tanks then move on to the painting process. Here they're coated with a layer of primer to protect the metal from corrosion and to ensure the paint adheres well. After the primer, they're painted with high-quality automotive-grade paint in a variety of colors. From classic black to vibrant reds, blues, and greens, the options are endless. Once the paint is dry, the tanks are adorned with the brand's logo and other details, adding the finishing touches to this work of art. The tanks are then inspected one last time for any imperfections and are polished once more for that extra shine. Finally, the fuel tanks are fitted with necessary components like the fuel cap, fuel gauge, and connectors. These components are carefully installed and tested to ensure they work flawlessly. Every step is crucial to ensure top-notch quality. From the selection of raw materials to the final assembly, each stage is carried out with meticulous attention to detail. It's not just about creating a fuel tank. It's about crafting a piece of art that is both functional and beautiful. Indeed, it's a symphony of precision and craftsmanship. As we approach the heart of the manufacturing process, witness the rigorous quality control measures in place. In the world of motorcycle fuel tanks, quality control is not a mere afterthought but an integral part of the process. It all begins with a keen eye for detail. As the tanks roll off the assembly line, each one is inspected for any visible defects. This could range from dents and scratches to improper alignment or irregular shapes. But visual inspection is just the tip of the iceberg. The real test of quality lies in the durability checks. Here, the tanks undergo a series of stress tests to ensure they can withstand the rigors of the road. They are subjected to high-pressure situations, quite literally, to verify their resilience against leaks and ruptures. Safety, as you can imagine, is paramount. Each tank is meticulously checked to ensure it meets all safety regulations. From the placement of the filler cap to the construction of the venting system, every element is scrutinized to ensure maximum safety. And let's not forget style. After all, motorcycles are as much about looks as they are about performance. The finish of the tank, its color, shine, and overall aesthetic appeal are all evaluated. Any imperfections, no matter how minute, are corrected to ensure the tank not only functions well but also looks the part. Quality control is a comprehensive, meticulous process. It's about ensuring that every motorcycle fuel tank that leaves the factory is not just fit for purpose, but also exceeds the expectations of the riders. The process is a testament to the dedication and commitment of those who craft these vital components. It's a harmony of precision, accuracy, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. So the next time you fill up your motorcycle's fuel tank, remember the rigorous checks and balances it has gone through, the hours of inspection, the stringent tests, the meticulous attention to detail, all to ensure that your ride is as safe, durable, and stylish as possible. All meticulously examined to meet the high standards that Wapspin TV stands for. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the world of customization. Motorcycle fuel tanks are not just about storing fuel, they're a symbol of individuality, a blank canvas that offers endless possibilities for customization. From the choice of materials to the paint jobs and unique designs, each element adds a personal touch, a signature of the rider. First, let's talk about materials. While the most common material is steel, some prefer aluminum or even carbon fiber for their lightweight and corrosion-resistant properties. The choice of material can significantly influence the overall aesthetics and performance of the motorcycle. Next, we move on to paint jobs. This is where the real magic happens. It's not just about slapping on a coat of paint, it's about bringing a vision to life. Whether it's a classic glossy black, a vibrant racing red, or a custom design that tells a story, the paint job is where personality shines through. But the customization doesn't end with the paint job. Engravings, decals, badges, these are the finer details that make a motorcycle fuel tank truly unique. They are the finishing touches that reflect the rider's style and personality. And let's not forget about the shape. While the traditional teardrop shape is a classic, some riders prefer something a bit more unconventional. Whether it's a sleek, aerodynamic design for the speed enthusiasts, or a bulky, rugged design for the off-road adventurers, the shape of the fuel tank can drastically alter the look and feel of the motorcycle. So, as you see, customization is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a piece of machinery that resonates with the rider, that becomes an extension of their identity. It's about making a statement, expressing individuality, and most importantly, it's about making every ride truly one of a kind. Discover the artistry that goes into creating unique designs that make each ride truly one of a kind. From the choice of materials to the intricate detailing, every aspect of the customization process reflects the passion and creativity of the craftsman and the individuality of the riders. As we reach the climax of our factory tour, witness the final assembly of these motorcycle fuel tanks. This is where the culmination of countless hours of hard work, precision, and dedication truly comes to life. Each component, meticulously crafted and inspected, now comes together in a harmonious blend of functionality and artistry. Here we see the final parts being delicately fitted together. It's a delicate dance, a precise choreography of man and machine. The fuel cap is attached, the fuel lines are connected, and the mounting brackets are secured. Each step is performed with an intricate attention to detail that ensures every tank is not just a vessel for fuel, but a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into every motorcycle. But the process doesn't end there. Once assembled, each tank undergoes a series of rigorous tests. They are filled with fuel and checked for leaks. They are subjected to pressure tests to ensure they can withstand the rigors of the open road. Only when they pass each test with flying colors do they earn the right to be called a motorcycle fuel tank. Then comes the final touch. Each tank is polished to a mirror finish, reflecting the pride and dedication that goes into its creation. It's a moment of pride for the craftsmen, a symbol of their commitment to excellence. Finally, the tanks are carefully packaged, ready to be shipped to motorcycle manufacturers across the globe. Each box not only contains a fuel tank, but the passion, dedication, and craftsmanship of the people who made it. This is where the magic happens before they hit the road. It's a testament to the art of manufacturing, a tribute to the unsung heroes who pour their heart and soul into creating the machines that fuel our passion for riding. And it's a reminder that every journey, every adventure, begins with a motorcycle fuel tank made with love right here in this factory. As we wrap up this exclusive tour, we hope you've enjoyed this peek into the meticulous process of motorcycle fuel tank manufacturing. We've journeyed through the factory, marveled at the precision and craftsmanship of each stage, and explored the creative world of customization. It's been a ride full of insights, a testament to the dedication and hard work that goes into every single fuel tank. Remember, these tanks aren't just functional. They're a canvas for creativity, a symbol of the rider's identity, and a crucial part of a machine that fuels our passion for exploration and freedom. And each one of them is a result of a symphony of precision, craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to quality. If you've been enthralled by this journey as much as we have, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Become a part of our Wapspin TV family, where our love for motorcycles and the open road connects us. We've got more exciting content lined up, more insider looks, more thrilling rides, and more stories to share. So stay tuned, because our journey together is just beginning. And as we sign off from this fascinating tour, we leave you with one final thought. Whether you're a rider, a builder, or a lover of all things motorcycles, never forget what fuels us all: the spirit of freedom, the thrill of the ride, and the joy of the journey. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.